Watches Made from Wood, Part 2. Will this watch rise above the competition like a mighty oak? Or does it belong in the wood chipper? Let's find out. Welcome to the Watch Closet. I'm COE33, Co for short. And guys, I think it's safe to say that I'm cuckoo for watches. If you enjoy watch collecting content as much as I do, help me grow this channel and appease those algorithm overlords by subscribing and ever so gently polishing that like button. Before we get into the unboxing, let's do a wristwatch check. I'm wearing the very cool Zarek Trappist-1 Supernova limited edition with the automatic movement. It's got that blue Supernova colorway. It's like you're looking through the cupola of the space station with that awesome gray band. I love it. Wood watches. Kind of a quirky novelty, guys, but you know what? I'm intrigued by them. Although so far I haven't been impressed by them. We did do a review of a wood watch on the channel already. It didn't get the highest marks. But then I was contacted by the manufacturer of this watch to give it another go, to do a review, to do an unboxing video. And I thought, you know what? Why not? Let's give it a try. Let's do Wood Watches Part 2. Now, this is a sponsored video. The watch was sent to me free of charge, and I do not have to return it. But guys, this will not impact my impressions of this watch, I promise you that. It's my responsibility to be honest about every watch I showcase on this channel, and that is a responsibility that I take seriously. Thank you to Q, my contact at HNATUY, for sending this watch, answering my questions, and not making any effort to influence this video. I really appreciate it. I will provide Amazon and AliExpress links and a coupon code that's valid today, June 13th, until tomorrow, June 14th. This will give you a substantial discount on this watch. If you're interested, links in the description below. All right, unboxing time. Guys, I'm looking forward to this. So this is a HNATUY Hero Nature U. HNATUY. At least that's my best guess on how to say that. Honestly, before I saw Hero Nature U, I wasn't sure, and I actually asked Q over at HNATUY if the H was silent or not, because I was like, is it NATUY? NATUY? I was trying to figure out how to say that. But this helps me a lot. Hero Nature U. Pretty cool. HNATUY. Now it comes in this box. I guess they have their own boxes. That's pretty snazzy. And you know what, guys? Let's pop this open, shall we? See what we're working with today. Got my Legend of Zelda unboxing knife. Of course, gotta have that. Let's open this bad boy up and see if this watch is something that has a place, a home here in the watch closet. Is this something that's going to be fun to wear? What's the packaging like? All that good stuff. I am interested. Pop that bad boy open. Okay, there we go. Let's see here. We got some nice packing material. We don't need that. And, oh, what's this? Little extras or something here? What is, oh, look, we got a little sizing tool. Nice. I'll add that to the pile of 17 other sizing tools that I have. And then we got, looks like the box, some more packing material. Don't need that. Don't need that. There we go. And we don't need that. All right, that leaves us with the watch. HNATUY Hero Nature U GU113. And it looks like it's in a nice little wood box here, huh? Let's see. Let's bust out the unboxing knife again. Let's get this bubble wrap off of here. Bubble wrap ASMR. And we don't need that. Okay. Now, right off the bat, the box is nicer than the packaging I got with other wood watch. I purchased another wood watch on Amazon, and it came in this really crappy, flimsy little cardboard box. It is nice to see that we actually have a little wood box. It's nothing crazy fancy, but it's an improvement over, we're already off to a better start. And we got the logo there, the HNATUY Hero Nature U. So let's open this bad boy up. And let's see, what do we got here? We have some information. Yeah, that's the handset. Yeah, no shit. Minute hand, normal crown, blah, blah, blah. HNATUY Hero Nature U instruction manual. Oh, how to size it and all. That's good that they add that, but we don't need that. Okay, guys, there it is. Look at that, the wood watch. Now it's on a little pillow, and it has some plastic saran wrap So it's keeping it nice and safe and shipping, so that's good. But let's get this crap off of here. We don't want any of this. There we go. Oh yeah, get rid of that. Okay, there it is, guys. Okay. HNATUY. Now this one, the watch that we reviewed before had a really crappy automatic movement. Now this is a quartz watch, which actually is probably better with a wood watch, because one of my big complaints on the one that had the automatic movement, or it was actually a manual hand wind movement, excuse me, was that it was so thick. And this one, right off the bat, I like the fact that it's not as thick. So let's get this off of this pillow and see what we're working with here. Okay. So yeah, nice chrome dial, stainless steel. Actually pretty cool. I like the layout, the dial layout here. And what kind of text do we have? See, HNATUY chronograph. Well, how is this a chronograph though? Uh-oh, there's a problem, huh? Yeah, it's not a chronograph. So I'm not sure why it says chronograph on the dial. They might want to change the text there from chronograph to maybe, I don't know, the water resistance or something like that, if it has any. Oh, and you know what, guys? Uh-oh. Oh, look at that. There's some dust on the... Oh, geez. Oh, we're getting some dings right off the bat. Now, this is not the review. I will do the full review at a later date. This is my first impressions. But my first impression is I like the dial, but I don't like the fact that it says chronograph, because this is not a chronograph. And I don't like that. Look at that big piece of debris stuck in the dial there. That's quite unfortunate. I like the low profile compared to the other wood watch. The band looks cool. I kind of like that two-tone band on there. But yeah, we're going to have some problems here, I think, with the review. Double push button clasp there. We got a pressed clasp. That's not surprising. This is an affordable watch. It's not an expensive piece. We do have a hang tag here. Hero Nature U. Let's get this off of there. We don't need this on here. Just like that. And there we go. We don't need that. Okay. So, whoa, look at this. Oh, that's kind of nice. Let's look at the back here, shall we? What do we got? See if I can get the camera to focus. There is, actually, I really like that. That's nice. HNATUY chronometer. No, that's not a chronometer. So, yeah, unique design. And what's that word underneath HNATUY? Quadrian? I'm going to look at this closer real quick, guys. Quardian. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to look that up. I don't know what Quardian is. But some misleading terminology here. So, HNATUY, my recommendations right off the bat, even though this isn't the review, this is just an unboxing, is lose chronometer, or lose chronometer there, lose chronograph. You got to make sure that the wordage that's on your watch is accurate to the watch that's actually being presented here. But I will say aesthetically, I like this better than the other wood watch that I reviewed on the channel. So it's got that going for it. And yeah, kind of interesting. That's a nice little date wheel there. I like the chrome dial. Why don't I throw this on the wrist and see how it wears? All right, now I still have to size it to my wrist. I have a 6.75 inch wrist. It's not size, but this has the same problem that the other wood watch has, is that it wears so flat that look at the gaps that you get between your wrist. And that lug to lug, talk about overhang. Yikes. I think you would need a larger wrist than I have to pull this off because of that lug to lug. So not ideal, but yeah, I'm interested in digging in and doing a full review on this at a later date. Alright guys, that's my unboxing and first impressions of the HNATUY wooden watch. What did you guys think of this piece? Let me know in the comment section below. Stay tuned for the full review coming to the channel soon. I'm posting new videos every Friday at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time with bonus videos like this one on random days. Follow me with my watch collecting adventures on Instagram at @cuckoo4watches. I'm live streaming on Twitch every Tuesday and Thursday. Follow me over there for wrist checks and retro gaming at COE33. And if you're enjoying the content, be sure to watch this video of me unboxing and giving my first impressions of the very cool Godzilla Citizen Limited Edition. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep your watches wound and your sapphires polished.